Welcome back to the channel. Today we uncover 9 natural, effective ways to remove plaque and tartar. Plaque and tartar don't just dull your smile, they can affect oral health. The good news, you can fight them naturally, right at home. Let's get started. Here are 9 simple remedies to try. 1. Orange peels. The inside is rich in vitamin C and natural acids. Gently rub the inside on your teeth to help fight bacteria and reduce buildup. It's a quick, simple trick you can do anytime. Works best as a small boost, not a replacement for brushing. Try it after meals or between brushings. 2. Tomatoes are rich in vitamin C, great for oral health. Rubbing a slice on your teeth or simply eating more tomatoes can help reduce plaque. Add them to your diet for ongoing benefit. Fresh vitamin C supports gum health and freshness. Simple and tasty support for your smile. 3. Baking soda and a pinch of salt. A classic home remedy. Mix lightly and brush gently. Mild abrasives remove plaque. Be gentle to avoid enamel damage, not daily heavy scrubbing. Occasional use is best. A quick, effective polish when used correctly. 4. Lemon juice. Antibacterial and naturally whitening. Apply a few drops to your brush for an occasional booster. Use sparingly, too much acid harms enamel. Rinse thoroughly after using lemon. Think of lemon as an occasional whitening helper. 5. Coconut oil. Ancient oil pulling for oral health. Swish a tablespoon for 10-15 minutes to reduce bacteria. It freshens breath and helps prevent tartar buildup. Spit and rinse. Follow with regular brushing. A natural routine some people find very effective. 6. Sesame seeds. A natural polish. Chewing raw seeds gently scrubs and removes food particles. They act like a tiny toothbrush without harsh abrasion. Great as an on-the-go option after meals. Natural, simple polishing action. 7. Cloves plus olive oil. An antibacterial soothing mix. Mix clove powder with a few drops of olive oil to form a paste. Apply gently to gums to reduce bacteria and inflammation. Clove is strong. Use sparingly if you have sensitive gums. Can soothe and support gum health naturally. 8. Aloe Vera gel. Soothing and antibacterial. Mix with a single drop of lemon essential oil for a refreshing cleanser. Apply gently to teeth and gums to reduce plaque and improve breath. Essential oils are potent. Use minimal amounts. A soothing, natural cleanser for sensitive mouths. 9. Sanguinaria Bloodroot Extract, used in herbal toothpastes. It has strong antibacterial properties to help prevent plaque. Use products containing Sanguinaria as directed on the label. Speak with your dentist if you're considering concentrated extracts. A targeted herbal option to support gum health. And there you have it. 9 natural remedies to help fight plaque and tartar. Remember, these help, but don't replace brushing, flossing, and dental checkups. Which will you try first? Comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe.